Good morning, students. In the last class, we have started a new chapter of your business studies, that is, business social responsibility of the business and the business ethics. In this chapter, we have understand the meaning of the social responsibility, and we have also studied the some cases of the social responsibility, why there should be businessmen have to perform the some social responsibilities. Okay, in which we have completed a 3 1, that is self interest, second is better environment for business, third is public image. Okay, so in today's class we will continue further to study the what are the different reason for the businessman to taking the or the perform the some social responsibility. Okay, so the fourth one is avoidance of the government interference. Government intervention is costly to businessmen and restrict their flexibility and freedom of making decision. For example, government has passed the Consumer Protection Act to prevent adulteration, black marketing, and other antisocial practices. Thus, social responsibilities are essential for avoiding governmental action against business. Okay, so every businessman or every business want to avoid the government interference. For that, they should have to fulfill the all the responsibilities of the society. If the business or the businessman fulfill all the social responsibilities of the society, so that government will not interfere in their production process. Okay, for that purpose the businessmen have to be loyal with their customer or consumer as well as their society. Okay, so government intervention is costly to businessman. Okay, it also कॉस्टली कि अगर क्या होगा इन केस कोई भी अगेंस्ट काम किया तो गवर्नमेंट क्या कर सकती है, उसका लाइसेंस ले सकती है कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस द कमोडिटी. सो उनका जो भी लाइसेंस है एज वेल एज बहुत ज़्यादा टैक्स इम्पोज कर सकती है, फीस फाइन्स लगा सकती है, सो दैट इट बिकम too much costly for the businessman, and it also restrict the freedom of making decision. Okay, so if the government intervene, so that it also restrict their flexibility, वो क्या करेगी गवर्नमेंट, it also taken the all the flexibilities and the freedom of the making decision. Now in the business will not able to take any kind of decision. Okay, so for example, government has passed the Consumer Protection Act to prevent the adulteration, black marketing, and other antisocial practices. Okay, so we know very well we have also listened the word, that is Consumer Protection Act. So government has passed the bill or the act, that is Consumer Protection Act, which prevent the person or the people from the adulteration means mixing, which is tincture means इसमें क्या होता है, लोग मिक्स नहीं करते हैं कि डिफरेंट कमोडिटीज़ को मिक्स करके क्या कर देंगे कुछ और कमोडिटी. मीन्स जैसे आप कुछ भी पीस लेने जा रहे हो, मटर लेने जा रहे हो या चना लेने जा रहे हो, तो उसमें क्या कर देते हैं, सब स्मॉल स्टोन्स डाल देते हैं, सो दैट ये क्या हो जाता है, वो उसी वेट का हो जाएगा और उसमें मिक्स कर देते हैं. सो दीज आर ऑल्सो डन बाय द डिफरेंट बिजनेस मैन. ओके, एंड द ब्लैक मार्केटिंग मीन्स कि उसकी प्राइस को दे विल store their supply, as well as if the price of that commodity will increase, in that case they will sold out those product with the high price. Okay, क्या करते हैं ब्लैक मार्केटिंग मीन्स कि वो मार्केट में वो प्रोडक्ट को लाएंगे ही नहीं, फिर जब मार्केट में उस प्रोडक्ट की सप्लाई कम हो जाएगी तो क्या हो जाएगा, जब सप्लाई कम हो जाएगी दैट मीन्स उसकी प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगी. तो उस कंटेक्स्ट में क्या करेंगे वो लोग, सप्लाई इंक्रीज़ करेंगे, सो पीपल क्या करेंगे, उसी इंक्रीज्ड प्राइस में क्या करेंगे, वो कमोडिटीज़ को परचेज करेंगे. सो इट हैज़ ऑल्सो डन बाय दी some business and other antisocial practices, and there are also different kind of practices which is anti with the society, so it also been done by the business. So for that purpose government has pass or introduce or launch the Consumer Protection Act. Thus, the social responsibilities are essential for the avoiding government action against business. Okay, so it is the responsibilities of the business to fulfill all the social responsibilities, because when they want to avoid the government intervention against the business. Okay, if the businessman want that the government will not interfere in their production process, so that they should follow all the rules and regulation which is framed by the government. Okay, so the next one is social power. A businessman, a business firm has considerable social power. It directly affects the rate of the economic growth, employment opportunities, distribution of income, etc. Business has a corresponding responsibility towards the society. There must be balance between the power and responsibility. Any imbalance opens the door to irresponsible behavior. The power is given to meet responsibility. If the businessman avoid it, then some of its power can be withdrawn by the government and other social group. Okay, so social power. So we know very well the society is too much powerful. Okay, so in that case, a business has social power, means a business firm has considerable social power. Business should taken the should see the some power which have under with the society. It directly affects the rate of economic growth. Okay, सिंपली ये हम कह सकते हैं कि बिजनेस के पास क्या होते हैं, कुछ सोशल पावर भी होते हैं. कैसे इट डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट द रेट ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. कैसे कि अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट एज वेल एज इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ को कैसे अफेक्ट करेगा, कि बिजनेसमैन क्या करेगा और बिजनेस फॉर्म क्या करेंगे, कमोडिटीज़ को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. इफ़ द कमोडिटीज़ विल प्रोड्यूस, सो अगर कमोडिटीज़ प्रोड्यूस होंगी तो उसमें कुछ ना कुछ लेबर लगेंगे, वो उनकी क्या होगी, वो वर्क करेंगे. अल्टीमेटली क्या होगी, एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इंक्रीज़ होगी. मीन्स अगर कोई कमोडिटी प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, ओके, सो इसको प्रोड्यूस कौन करेगा, पीपल करेंगे जो सोसाइटी में हैं. लेबर्स लगेंगे. लेबर जब लगेंगे तो इनको क्या मिली, एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिली. इफ़ एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिली, इन रिटर्न व्हाट दे विल गेट द वेजेस मीन्स they will get the income. If income will generate with them, they will purchase the some commodity. They will also do the expenditure. वो क्या करेंगे, एक्सपेंडिचर करेंगे फॉर देयर कंजप्शन. वो एक्सपेंड करेंगे अपने मनी को कि वो कंज्यूम कर सके. सो अल्टीमेटली इट विल लीड, इफ more and more expenditure has been done by the people, so that the income of the national income of the country, means overall income of the country will increase. Ultimately the economic growth of the country will increase. Okay, जब ये सब increase होगा, so that economic growth क्या होगा, country का increase होगा. So it has, the business firm has the considerable social power. They have the some social power, and how it affects the rate of economic growth, as we already studied. It has also the affect the employment opportunities, distribution of income, etc. So business has corresponding responsibility towards the society. Now the responsibility of the businessman, so that they can provide the different kind of facilities to their society. There must be balance between the power and responsibility. Okay, what has the power with the businessman, they should take as their responsibility. जो भी उनके पास पावर है कि वो कुछ सोसाइटी के लिए कर सकते हैं, तो वो सारे बिजनेस को क्या करना चाहिए, उसको अपनी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझना चाहिए. कैसे, अगर उनको पास पावर है कि वो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ को इंक्रीज़ कर सकते हैं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन कर सकते हैं, इनकम को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं, तो वो उसको एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी ले कि अगर ये ऐसा कुछ प्रोडक्शन करेंगे फॉर देयर प्रॉफिट मोटिव, कि वो प्रॉफिट मोटिव के लिए ही करे, बट अल्टीमेटली ये क्या होगा, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ को जनरेट करेगा, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ को इंक्रीज़ करेगा. सो there should be a balance between the power and responsibility. Okay, so any imbalance opens the door to irresponsible behavior. If there any kind of imbalance between the power and the responsibility, it will open the door of the irresponsible behavior. It will ultimately increase the irresponsible behavior of the business firm. Thus power is given to meet responsibility. अगर सोसाइटी उनको पावर दी है बिजनेस को, तो बिजनेसमैन को क्या सोचना चाहिए कि उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो सारी फैसिलिटीज़ नॉर्मल जनरल पब्लिक को और सोसाइटी को प्रोवाइड करें. सो इट इज़ द सोशल पावर ऑफ द business firm. So if the businessman avoid it, then some of its power can be withdrawn by the government. Okay, if the businessman will not provide all the facilities or all the power as well as all the responsibility with regarding their society, so the government will take in all the responsibility from the बिजनेसमैन एंड अदर सोशल ग्रुप. वो सोशल ग्रुप से एज वेल एज गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी, सारी जो भी फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड की है, जो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी है, पावर दी है बिजनेसमैन को, वो सारा गवर्नमेंट क्या कर लेगी और अदर ग्रुप क्या कर लेंगे, उससे विथड्रॉ कर लेंगे. ओके, सो इट इज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बिजनेसमैन टू बैलेंस बिटवीन द पावर एंड responsibility. Okay, so it is the social power. Next one is resources used for the moral justification. Business has resources such as money, talents, expertise in technical areas, physical and financial resources. The businessman can assist government with these resources in the solving problem. For example, business can help in solving the problem of the regional disparity by setting up industries in backward region. Business can help in solving problem of unemployment by offering employment opportunities. The business should help society in solving the problem. Okay, so business has resources such as money, talent, expertise in technical areas, physical and financial resources. Okay, every business or the every business firm has the resources, which is like money. They have money, they have also some talent to producing the commodity as well as advertising their commodity. They have also expertise in the technical areas, and they have also the human resources power and financial resources. From that the business produce the increases their production. Also the businessman can assist government with these resources in solving problem. So it is the responsibility of the businessman that they can assist or the help the government to solve the all the economic or the all the social problems, all the political problem. So it is the responsibility of the businessman to assist with the government and solve the problems. For example, business can help in solving the problems of regional disparity. Okay, अब ये क्या हो सकता है कि बिजनेस क्या कर सकता है, बिजनेस ही ऐसा है कि जो भी रीजनल डिस्पैरिटीज़ हो रही है, रीजनल डिफरेंस डिस्क्रिपेंसीज हो रही है, उसको वो क्या कर सकता है, रिमूव कर सकता है. कैसे कि जो भी रीजन वाइज होता है, कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज़ क्या होती हैं, वो ऐसे एरियाज़ में होती हैं जहाँ पे सारी फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल है, मींस ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटी है, वेयर हाउसिंग फैसिलिटीज़ है, इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं, सॉरी बैंकिंग है, इंश्योरेंस की फैसिलिटीज़ है. बट इन दी बैकवर्ड एरियाज़ इंडस्ट्रीज सेटअप नहीं होती है. इन दैट केस द business can reduce the regional disparities and they can open or introduce the some industries in backward areas also. If in the backward area the industries will open, it will also ultimately increase the एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन. वहाँ पे भी क्या होगा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन होगा. एंड देन if the employment generation will be there, so that it will also increase the income of the people. Ultimately they will increase and they will invest their money for the consumption expenditure, and the national income of the country will increase, so that economic growth of the country will also increase. Okay, so it is the responsibility of the business to solve the problem which is related to the regional disparities, that they should they must open their industries in the backward areas also. Business can help in the solving problem of the unemployment by offering employment opportunities. Okay, business can also remove the problem just like the unemployment, if they provide the some different kind of employment opportunities. So ultimately it will decreases or it will remove the problem like unemployment, and the business should help society in solving the problem. The business also in position to remove the all the problem which is related to the society. Okay, now the next one is contribution to social problem. Business has created some social problems such as pollution, creation of unsafe workplaces, discrimination, etc. There is a moral argument that the business has an obligation to help in solving social problems because it help in creating those or in perpetuating those problems. Businessman can make businessman must take initiative to solve social problem because these are created as a result of business operation. So it also contributed to the social problem. So business has created some social problem. Okay, as any commodity is produced in the society, so it will also create some social problem as well. So it also the business also increases the some social problem like pollution. Okay, if the different industries were set up, they also created the problem pollution like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and created of the unsafe workplace. So the workplaces also become unsafe for the people. It also increases the discrimination among the people, among the persons as well as among the places also. So there is moral argument that the business has obligation to help the solving social problem. Okay, it is the responsibilities of the businessman or the business to remove the social problem because it help in creating those or in perpetuating those problem. Okay, because it help in creating those or in perpetuating those problems. So it also help in creating the problem as well as is also make continue to those problem. Okay, it sometimes it creates the problem or from the social problem it continued from for the longer period of time. So businessman must take initiative to solve the social problem. So it is the responsibility of the businessman that they should take some initiative to solve the social problem because they are created as a result of business operation, because all the problems are occurred only because of the business operation कि business operations हो रहे हैं, business में work हो रहा है, from that only there is increasing the social problem. So there is responsibility of the business man or the business to remove the problems of the society. So as we have all studied the case of the social responsibility, why the businessman must perform the some social responsibility. Okay, now the next one is reality of the social responsibility. Okay, what is the reality behind the social responsibility? After learning the case for and against social responsibility, we can conclude that business is no longer a mere economic institution, but it is also a social institution. And businessmen are the trustees of the different social groups. Although business is an economic activity, so it must have the primary and the basic aim of the earning profit and creation of wealth, but at secondary level it must try to assume its social responsibility so that it can earn goodwill and survive in market for a longer period of time. Okay, so after studying the cases or against the social responsibility, now we are able to understand that the business is not only the economic institution, it is also the social institution, because business also must perform the different social responsibility towards the society. Okay, so now we can't say that the business is only the economic institution which earn or which create more and more profit, but business also do some work which is in favor of the society, as well as it also do some work for the social welfare also. Okay, so after learning after learning the case for the against social responsibility, sorry, we can conclude that the business is no longer a mere economic institution. Okay, we can say that the now business is not only the economic institution, it is also the social institution, and businessmen are the trustees of the different social group. Businessman is also trustees of the different social group, means they have the businessman also provide the some fund to the or the grant to the other social groups also, so they are also the social institution. Although business is an economic activity, so it must have the primary and basic aim of earning profit and creation of wealth. Okay, so we know very well, and we have already studied in chapter first, that is business is an economic activity, and the basic and the first primary and the secondary objective of the businesses to earn more and more profit and creation of wealth, and they also create more wealth, but at secondary level they let the it must try to assume the social responsibility. Okay, we studied that the primary objective, the primary objective of the business is to earn more and more profit and creation of wealth, but it has also, we can say that at the secondary level there is also the some social responsibilities for the among the or the towards the society, so that it can earn goodwill. Okay, they can make their name and fame and survive in market for a long period of time. If their goodwill or the name and fame becomes in the market, so that the businesses also continued for the longer period of time. कि अगर उनका गुडविल मीन्स उनका नेम एंड फेम अगर मार्केट में रहेगा, सो दैट दे आर एबल टू कंटिन्यू देयर बिजनेस, वो अपने बिजनेस को कंटिन्यू कर पाएंगे फॉर द लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ time. Okay, so the main reasons and the factors which force businessmen to consider their responsibilities towards society. So these are the some reasons and the factors which pressures the businessman to take in the some social responsibility towards the society. Okay, so what are these? First one is threat of public regulation. Threat means fear of the public regulation. Government is expected to perform for the welfare of the state, so they have to take care of all the sections of the society. Whenever business firms are behaving in a social irresponsible manner, action is taken to regulate their activities and safeguard the interest of the people. So this threat of the public regulation is one thing which forces the businessman to follow social responsibility. So government is expected to perform for the welfare of the state. Okay, so we know very well that the main government is from the government we expect that they will do the welfare for the people, so they have to take care of all the section of the society. So government has the responsibility to टेक केयर ऑल दी सेक्शंस ऑफ द सोसाइटी. अभी क्या है, गवर्नमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि वो सारे जितने भी सेक्शंस है सोसाइटी में, लो इनकम ग्रुप, मीडियम इनकम ग्रुप और हाई इनकम ग्रुप और पुअर पीपल, नॉन पुअर पीपल, तो अब ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गवर्नमेंट की है कि वो हर एक सोसाइटी में जितने भी सेक्शंस हैं उनको क्या करे, वो उनकी टेक केयर करे. वेन एवर बिजनेस फॉर्म्स आर बिहेविंग इन अ सोशल irresponsible manner, action is taken to regulate their activities. Okay, if the businessman or the business is doing any kind of work which is against the responsible manner, which is against the society, in that case the government will take the any action against them, as well as the safeguard of the interest of the people. They can also take the some steps for the safe to the people of the society. So this threat of the public regulation is one thing which forces businessman to follow responsibility. So it is the one of the threat for the public regulation, so that the businessman has to follow the all the social responsibility. ठीक, इसमें क्या होता है कि गवर्नमेंट का क्या है, गवर्नमेंट से एक्सपेक्ट ये किया जाता है कि गवर्नमेंट इज़ फॉर दी वेलफेयर ऑफ द सोसाइटी। गवर्नमेंट किस लिए है, सोसाइटी के वेलफेयर के लिए। अब सोसाइटी के वेलफेयर के लिए गवर्नमेंट को क्या करना है, हर एक सेक्शन, जो भी सोसाइटी में सेक्शंस हैं, वो हर एक सोसाइटी के सेक्शन की क्या करेगा, टेक केयर करेगा। सो अगर बिजनेसमैन अगर और बिजनेस क्या करेगा, इररिस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेवियर कर रहा है टुवर्ड द सोसाइटी, वो सोसाइटी के जो भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं, नॉर्म्स हैं, वो उनको फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है, इन दैट केस गवर्नमेंट क्या कर सकती है, उनके अगेंस्ट कोई एक्शन ले सकती है और उनके जो भी इंटरेस्ट है उसको सेव कर सकती है। सो वन ऑफ द रीज़न, एक ये भी रीज़न है कि जो भी बिजनेसमैन है कि वो क्या करते हैं, बिजनेसमैन क्या करते हैं, सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को फॉलो करते हैं। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज थ्रेट ऑफ द पब्लिक रेगुलेशन। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रेशर ऑफ द लेबर movement. Nowadays, even labor in our country is getting organized and they are far more educated. Labor movement also force the business enterprises to take care of the welfare of the labor and reward them for their efficiency. Okay, we can see that the अभी हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि लेबर्स क्या होते हैं, वो बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयर हो गए हैं। वो पहले की तरह नहीं है कि उनको आप उनका अगर 100 रुपीज़ वेज बन रहा है तो आप उसको 80 रुपीज़ ही दो। वो बहुत ज़्यादा एजुकेटेड भी हैं, as well as they are too much organized. So labor movement also force the business enterprises, अगर उन्हें क्या है प्रॉपर वेज, जिस बिजनेस में वो इंगेज हैं, वो वर्क करें, उनको अगर प्रॉपर वेज नहीं मिलेगा, so that they can move from one business or one enterprises to another enterprises, so that it is the responsibility of the business to take care of the welfare of labor as well as reward them for their efficiency. वो जितना वर्क करे उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनको क्या करे, रिवॉर्ड और उनको वेजेस प्रोवाइड करे। सो फॉर दैट पर्पज इट इज़ द ऑल्सो फॉर द बिजनेसमैन टू टेक केयर द society's affections and the take care of the society as well. Next one is impact of the consumer consciousness. Development of the mass media education has made consumer aware of their right. We know very well that the nowadays consumer are too much aware for every product. They also see the MRP of the any good as well as expiry and the manufacturing goods. Now the business can't make fool to the consumer. So there are also government has introduced the Consumer Protection Act. So in present day market customer is considered as the king. Okay, nowadays customer is considered as king. वो क्या है, वो मार्केट का राजा है. So even business organization have started following customer oriented policy. So it is the obligation of the business or the businessman to follow the customer oriented policy, which means any business will create the policy which is because of the or which is related to the customer oriented, not for the only business oriented. Okay, because the customer is too much aware in present society. Next one is development of the social standard of the business. Today's business is no longer an institute to mint money only. According to new social standard, business and economic activity is not only for earning profit, but it should also fulfill its social obligation. As no business can be done in isolation. To do business, they have to interact with the member of the society and satisfy the member of the society. So development of the social standard for the businessman. So for business, okay, they have to also create the standard to develop or the to being in the market for the longer period of time. So today business is not only institute of mint only. Mint only means कि अभी बिजनेस बस वही नहीं है कि जहाँ पे हम मनी का ट्रांजेक्शन करें, कि मोर एंड मोर अर्निंग प्रॉफिट करें, अ प्लेस वेयर मनी इज़ कॉइंड, जहाँ से मनी को प्रोड्यूस करें. अभी बस ये नहीं है, अभी बिजनेसमैन इज़ ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यू सोशल स्टैंडर्ड, business as an economic activity which is not only profit but it also fulfills its social obligation. Okay, so society is not only for the economic profit but they also for the social obligations. So as no business can done in isolation, कोई भी business isolation में नहीं हो सकता. To do business they have to interact with the member of this society. For the doing the business, the businessmen have to interact with the society and they have to satisfy the member of the society. For that purpose they are able to create or the continued for the longer period of time. Okay, so we will discuss further in the next class.